quality over length. A 300-word answer that explores 2 points deeply is better than a 600-word answer that repeats the same thing 5 times. Some children say, no, मैं 3-4 पेज भर के आया, सेम चीज मैंने 3 बार लिख दिया, टीचर को क्या पता चलता है? या ट्रू, पता चल जाता है, टीचर भी इतने भी वो नहीं है ना, तो दे थिंक लेंथ देकर मार्क्स मिलता है. नो. So it's important that this is also kept in mind. Focus on depth. Encourage exploration of ideas rather than just meaning word counts. If you ask children to write something, they'll say, how many words? Exactly, they'll write 20 words and give you. 20 word mein they will count in, of, than, in, all that will be there in the 20 words. But there is no core meaning, enough core meaning associated to that content. Avoid fluff. Teenagers often add repetitive words to meet requirements, which weakens their writing and develop thinking. So my assessment today is children are not even asked to think. If this we work on regularly, a lot of the problems will be solved. This is not happening. That is why they are dependent on ChatGPT. There are reasons why till now we were training the brain as to why the brain is not doing something or what is that they're lacking. Now we're going to talk about why does the child say, I am tired? How many of you feel that? Children say, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है, अभी मैं नहीं लिख सकता, and this and that. How many of you go through this problem? You do, right? Why does it happen and what is the solution? Why does it happen? It's purely because lack of exercise of those parts of the body. You go back to their childhood and understand and analyze what did they do in their childhood. Did they spend a lot of time like this? Like this means like this. In that case, you know the answer.